welcome back to a new video.
French fries and a cheeseburger.
To a burger place.
I still can't see one of these. It's right here. Oh,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For a burger and fries, and I've got pineapple in it. We're living the natural island life. No, I'm gonna switch this up. This is the second week on the Big Island. Today, I think the only clips I got was when I was eating a burger earlier. We went to this burger place, it was really good. Pineapple and burger is 10 out of 10. I'm starting this vlog at 8:30 at night, and I'm literally about to get ready for bed. I don't know, I feel like I seem to be going to bed earlier and earlier and getting more tired and more tired. This is the cabin we're in. Today we are doing a day trip to the Hawaiian Volcano National Park. Thank you. We are in the Volcano National Park, and our guide has just said it is the same size of the island of Oahu, which is huge. This whole national park. What does it feel like? Ooh! I was not expecting that.
There are still volcanoes that we use and are made today. I was fortunate enough to those place names.
This is one of the volcanoes that is obviously active, and then the most active volcano in the world is that one there. Quick stop for some food. Peanut butter bagel with banana. Literally the only thing I'm eating. But this time I actually brought my pot of honey so I can put some of this in. Sarah's got a hot dog. And Kylie's got pasta.
Smell a lot stronger. Hang out over there too long.
Where you find more holes in the ground, where lava once flowed in 1974. So in about 19 miles, we're gonna hit a dead end.
Kylie's our tour guide.
There's not a whole lot going on right here in this area though, because the lava did not flow here, so it's just trees.
Question of the day. Could you outrun lava? This is all lava flows here. Like, it's everywhere, but could you outrun it? How fast does lava flow? Do you reckon you can outrun lava?
No.
I feel like maybe you could. I don't know, we need to Google this.
This means that the runniest molten lava has the viscosity of a room temperature honey. So unless you're on a very steep slope, you can pretty much outrun it.
Can you actually? So is right. Thick milkshake smoothie when you pour it, whereas water would obviously run a lot faster.
So as your
Oh
tour
my
guide,
god, as if. Wild night. Yeah, look at those. Another day done.